Hi everyone, welcome back to Wild and Loud. We are here in Mount Enterprise, Texas at Born Free, Texas. The first time this rally has ever been in Texas and very excited. There's so much cool stuff. There's so many badass bikes. You guys are gonna have a great time. We're here on my husband's turbo. Oh my goodness, I can't say more than enough. You guys are really gonna enjoy everything. There's a lot of badass bikes. We're gonna have a fun day. Let's do this. Can I tell you how much I'm in love with this little thing? It's the cutest. This. Check this out. It's so awesome here. The Born Free main stage. They're gonna have some kind of concerts out here today. So Born Free is a bike rally that normally has these beautiful old school kind of chopper style bikes, but they're out of California. This is the first time they're in Texas, so very excited that we're getting the opportunity here very close to our home to be able to see all the bikes.